Hi everyone, welcome to the Dataholics YouTube channel. This video is also in continuation of our DSA series. And in this video, we are going to discuss to reverse the linked list. Right? This is a problem statement on LeetCode called 206. So in this, we have to reverse a linked list, and it is a very easy problem statement. Right? For the first time when we see, it might look difficult, but this is actually a very simple problem statement. So basically the question says, given the head of a thingy linked list, reverse the list and return the reversed list, right? So this is the demo. See, example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right now, 1 has the address of 2, 2 has the address of 3, 3 has the address of 4, and so on. After reversing it, it will be reversed. It will be opposite. 2 will have the address of 1, 3 will have the address of 2, 4 will have the address of 3, and so on. Observe carefully. Right now, 5 is the last node. So the next of 5 is none. After reversing it, 1 will be the last node and the next of 1 will be none, right? So this is how reversal works, right? Now I'll take you to OneNote, and let me just help you understand in very simple words. मैं starting में ना 2-3 pointers ले लूँगा. I'll take 2-3 pointers initially. First is previous, which is none. Second is n next node, which will be representing my next node, which is also none. Then head is equal to a. A especially is essentially is the first node. So whatever the linked list you are working on, A is the first node. And we will start current is equal to head. Then I will write a simple logic here. I will write you the code snippet, and then we will execute and understand. While current is not equal to none. Current is not equal to none. And we have already seen this. While current is not equal to none means current will start from first node, go to second node, third node, fourth node, fifth node, and it will also go outside the loop. So after here, it is none. So this loop will terminate when all the nodes will be visited. All the nodes will be visited. Right? Then what I will do is, I will make the next node is equal to current dot next. Why? I'll tell you. See, what I will do here is, I will do something like this. So this is the current situation. I'll take the red marker. And what I will do here is, I will mark as 1 is equal to none, because at the end of 1, we have to make none. And I will take 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically, I will remove this connection. And this will be pointing to the previous node. This one right now is pointing to 2. I will make it to point none. But if I do so, I will lose this part of the linked list. So in order not to lose this part of the linked list, I am storing it here as NN. So now this 2 will be NN, next node, by this line. I hope you understand. Second, then what I will do is, I will make previous is equal to, first, I will have to make current dot next is equal to previous, that is none. So current, that is 1, that is the first node, dot next is equal to previous. Previous initially is none. So this is what we have done so far. Correct? In the next line, what I will do is, I will make, now see, what exactly we have done with 1, I will have to do with 2, then I will have to do with 3, and so on and so forth. So I will have to move previous and current. So previous is equal to current node, that is 1, and current is equal to current dot next, nxt, right? So see, after first iteration, what will happen? After first iteration, what will happen? See just my red pointer, red marker. Current dot next is equal to previous, this is done. NN is equal to current dot next, this is also done. This line is executed, this line is executed. Now previous is equal to current. So now, right now, current was at 1. So I will mark it as previous. I hope you understand. Then current is equal to nxt. So current is right now 1, and I will mark it as nxt. That is actually nn, not nxt. It should be nn. Sorry, it's my bad. It is nn. So nn is this, so current will come here. Now I'll just take a green pointer. So this is the result after the first iteration. Try to understand. In the next iteration, again, we will go to while current is not equal to none. So see, current is at 2. This is not none. Of course, yes. NN is equal to current dot next. That means current is 2, dot next is 3. So NN will come here. Just see my green pointer. And this NN will be removed from here. Then current dot next is equal to previous. So current dot next is equal to previous. So this connection will be removed and this connection will be made. See, current is 2, dot next is 1, previous. Then previous is equal to current. So previous, that is currently pointing at 1, will be pointing at current, that is 2. P-R-E-N. I hope you understand. And current is equal to NN. So NN is pointing at 3, current is pointing at 2. So current will be moved to NN. So after second iteration, our linked list is looking something like this. None, 1, 2, then 3, 4, and 5. And pointers are something like this. Pointers are like this. See, our NN and current are pointing to this node. Current is equal to NN. Yeah, right? And previous is pointing to 2. This is our situation right now. Then again, we will move forward. I will repeat the same step. While current is not equal to none, so current 3 is not equal to none, NN is equal to current dot next. So NN will be removed from here. NN will be removed from here. Let us just make it more clear now. NN will be removed from here and it will be going to current dot next. NN here. Then current dot next is equal to previous. So this connection will be made. Current dot next is equal to previous and this connection will be removed. I hope you are able to understand. Previous is equal to current. So previous will be removed from here and it will be moved to current. That is 3. So previous will come here. And then current is equal to NN. So current will be removed from here and it will be pointing to NN, which is a current node. Like this. NN, next node. Right? So after third iteration, this is the situation. After fourth iteration, let's go again. While current is not equal to none, so current is pointing at 4, it is not equal to none. So what we will do? NN is equal to current dot next. So NN, which is currently pointing at 4, it will be pointing to current dot next. That is 4 dot next. That is 5. So NN will come here. Current dot next is equal to previous. So current is at 4, previous is at 3. So current dot next. And this connection will be removed. Right? Previous is equal to current. So previous is equal to current. So previous, which is currently pointing at 3, it will be pointing to current. That is 4. Current is equal to NN. So current, which is currently pointing at 4, it will be pointing to NN. That is 5. After fourth iteration, this is our result. Right? Now you see, this part of the linkage is already reversed. In a similar manner, this we will do for next node. Now I'll take just blue marker, just focus on my blue marker. While current is not equal to none, of course, 5 is not equal to none, condition true. Current is 5, which is not equal to none, condition true. NN is equal to current dot next. So NN will be removed from here. Current dot next, that is none. So NN will come here. NN will come here, which is none. Correct? Great. Current dot next is equal to previous. So current dot next, current which is 5, next will be previous. So this connection will be made. Right? Then and current dot next, initially it was none. So this connection will be removed. Previous is equal to current. So previous is equal to current. Previous, which is currently pointing. Sorry. Yeah. Just going back to the next step. Current dot next is equal to previous. That is current 5 dot next is equal to previous. This connection will be made. Then previous is equal to current. So previous, which is currently pointing at 4, will be pointing towards 5. Current. Right? Then current is equal to NN. Current, which is currently pointing at 5, will start pointing towards NN which is none. So this is current, right? And we will go up again while current is not equal to none. Condition is false because now current is none. See, and hence the loop terminates. And then this is our result. Now I will just write the result for you. N, none, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is our linked list. And previous is the pointer pointing here. Now just tell me, once this function terminates, what shall we return? Return previous. Why? Because now the first node of the linked list becomes 5 and pointer previous is pointing towards it. So we cannot return head because head is still at 1. We have to return previous in order to get the reversed linked list. So this is how we do the reverse. I will just show you the visualization as well in order to help you better understand this. This is the same code written as we have seen here, there, right? And see, in the first step, none is previous. Previous is none. Current is the first node. While current is not equal to none, next is equal to current.next. So 2 is pointing the next, NXT. Current.next is equal to previous. See, right now the arrow is 1 towards 2. Now 1 towards N, right? Previous is equal to current. So previous will move from none to current. That is 1. So previous will move to 1. Current is equal to next. So current will move from 1 to 2. Now like this. So this is after first iteration. Similarly, we'll go up again. Current is not equal to none. Next is at 3. Current.next is at previous. So arrow is changed. See this visualization? This is what is exactly happening behind the scenes, right? So I will just give you this notebook as well in the chat, in the comments. So just go through this notebook, understand this visualization, and please let me know if you have any doubts in this, right? So now let us come to create the linked list. I have created this some nodes in the linked list A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and connected those linked lists. We have already seen this, how to create and connect the linked list, correct? Then head is equal to A, printing it. So right now I'm just showing you the current linked list, right? Then exactly the same code which we have written, understood. Head is equal to A. Define a reverse function. I'm creating a function called revll. Head, current is equal to head. Next and previous is equal to none. This NXT is equal to NN, which we have seen. While current is not equal to none, NXT is equal to current.next. Current.next is equal to previous. Previous is equal to current, and current is equal to NXT. And return previous after the while loop terminates. Right? So printing the linked list before reversal, after reversal, correct? So you see, this was the linked list earlier, and this is the linked list now. So it's a very simple code, but it's a very interesting problem statement to understand the logic building concept, right? And this visualization will help you a lot. This is what I have created through Claude AI, right? Claude AI, and it gives wonderful visualization. See, it is also giving you the all the steps right here. So just try to understand this through this visualization also. You will be able to understand it really well, right? Let me know in case of any doubts. I will be more than happy to answer your questions. That's all for this video, and thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.